Tinnitus Relief, try these great coping techniques. Millions of people worldwide suffer from the frustrating and annoying condition of tinnitus. All sufferers of tinnitus will benefit from the advice in this video, so read it in its entirety to get the most knowledge you can. Talk about your tinnitus to your family, friends, and coworkers. Let them know what environments are especially hard for you or if there are certain foods that trigger an attack. Most people are willing to help if they know what you need. Talking about tinnitus also helps it to be less of a burden. Reducing your stress levels can be all that it takes to get rid of tinnitus. High levels of stress can cause a variety of different medical conditions, with tinnitus being one of them. So, controlling your levels of stress can also reduce or get rid of chronic ringing in your ears. Try to stay away from loud environments if you suffer from tinnitus. This could make your symptoms worse, even if you are taking medications for them. If you have no choice but to be in a loud place, be sure to wear earplugs when you can, in order to block noises out. If you suffer from tinnitus, it can be helpful to find a support group to join. By mingling with people in a support group, you will be surrounded by others who truly understand the issues associated with having this condition. People in this group can offer compassion and different coping strategies which they have discovered to be helpful to them. You can be sure of the fact that treatment can be found to help reduce the symptoms of tinnitus. Apply these tips to your daily life to see if they work for you. It may turn out that at least one, maybe more, are quite helpful to you. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.